And news just coming in, Israel has said there have been rocket attacks from Lebanon. Israel says 4 rockets were fired from Lebanon. One was intercepted by the Iron Dome. Israeli defense forces are now carrying out retaliatory strikes on Lebanon. Israel has fired artillery, we are told, after 4 rockets were launched towards Israel from Lebanon or Lebanese territory. We are told at this point of time. We are also being told that perhaps Hezbollah was not involved in this. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Foreign Affairs editor Geeta Mohan for more on this. Geeta, so far rocket strikes into Israel were coming from Gaza, but now Lebanese territory is being used. What more can you tell us? This adds altogether a new dimension to this conflict.
Well, that's right, and a very serious one at that, Gaurav. 4 rockets fired from Lebanon to the Keen village is what the reports are suggesting. One intercepted by the Iron Dome, and the others fell within the Lebanese territory, could not really reach into or even go into the Israeli territory. Having said that, this is a serious provocation. Israel is not taking it lightly. The Israeli Defense Forces have put out tweets and information about how they're retaliating. So the retaliatory measures now continue from the Israeli side into Lebanon, which is going to be serious given that it only takes the entire situation a notch up. This year, even as the United States president has called for de-escalation and has asked Israel to fix a time period for the de-escalation of this crisis.
You know, Geeta, what is extremely interesting is reports say that it's not the Hezbollah. It would be very interesting to know who's firing rockets from Lebanese territory into Israel. If it's not the Hezbollah, that's point one. And point two, what's the US doing to bring about peace in this region, especially at a time when there are reports that Turkey stands accused of fueling the fire in some ways?
Well, that's absolutely right. On the one hand, we've seen. Let's just talk about the first part of your question about Hezbollah. You're right in saying that Hezbollah has not been named. There were reports of rocket fires on Friday where Hezbollah was named. But apart from Hezbollah, there are pro-Palestine or Palestinian groups that are working out of southern Lebanon. It could very well be some faction of that group, but there is no clarity or information on which group is going to be taking responsibility or be pinned responsibility for these for the firing. But suffice to say, Gaurav, that whatever is happening from southern Lebanon, Hezbollah does have a role to play. We'll again we'll have to wait and see whether there's going to be confirmation on the name of the group involved in the 4 rocket firing that took place just a while ago. United States of America has been seeking and asking for de-escalation, but has come out fully in support of Israel, and in that is now engaging the Israeli Prime Minister and the Israeli administration to de-escalate, given that the retaliatory action from Israel into Gaza Strip has gone on for a bit long. Egypt had offered a truce between the two sides, which was rejected by Israel. Prime Minister Netanyahu making it very clear that the rocket firing from Gaza is not going to go unnoticed, or for that matter, without action and without a retaliation. So we'll have to wait and see when Israel really decides to stop firing at Gaza and come to the talking table. It doesn't help matters when we see another front open, which is Lebanon.
Keep tracking that story, Geeta. I will come back to you for more. Israel has put that basic precondition that rockets from Gaza need to stop immediately and the Hamas needs to be disarmed. Easier said than done, but we'll be tracking that story very closely. That is all I have time for on India First this evening. For all the latest news and updates, log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the India Today app. A quick break. News and updates continue on India Today. Stay with us.